Hi and welcome to this video. In today's video, we will talk again about how to speed up your computer. I met someone virtually and we had a conversation about what I do, and then I told him that I do tech tutorials or videos on YouTube. And then he asked me if I can help him with his computer because his computer is very slow, although he has a very good hardware. We used TeamViewer to check his computer. And I'm going to show you today what I did to improve the performance of his computer. And it's very basic or easy thing. First, we went as usual to the task manager. We opened the task manager to check what's running in the background. And then I found that there are three antivirus running on his computer. And these antivirus are making his computer very slow. And they were really very well hidden on the computer. So the names were different here than the names when you go to apps. So now let's go open apps. So here we have the computer setting, and then let's go to apps, and then here installed apps. And here, as you can see, we have the list of all the installed apps on my computer. And then, as I mentioned, we found three antivirus programs on his computer. And after we removed them, the computer got very fast, very quick. When he was opening program, it was taking really long time to open the program till he deinstalled all these programs. The computer started to work normally. And my advice to you, so if you know that a program, if you know that you installed an antivirus, McAfee or Kaspersky or any other antivirus program, you don't need them. As a normal user of a computer, you don't need all these apps because the Windows Defender is more than enough for your computer. These programs were very useful for normal users like 15 years ago, before 2010, but now they are not that useful because Microsoft improved the security of Windows. So it's better not to have them unless you work for a company and it's a prerequisite from your company that you work with this program. And here, when you find the app, you just go here to the app and just press on it. Let me, for example, go here to this 3 point and uninstall the program. Uninstall the program. That's it. That is, and that's it pretty much. Just uninstall all antiviruses on your computer and use just the default Microsoft Defender. And it's running all the time. We can now check my task manager and see that here, yeah, you can see anti-malware. So it's running. It took me some time to find it because it's going up and down. But this is anti-malware. It's from Microsoft Defender antivirus. So it's running all the time on your computer. So no need for all these extra antiviruses. They will make your computer very slow, and it's better to get rid of them and to rely just on the Microsoft Defender. Thanks. That's all for today. Hope you learned something from the video.